So you have received a firm offer from the University of Zululand. Here is how you are going to be accepting it. First of all, you are going to your Chrome browser. Tap on the search button and type ITS UniZulu and search. Click on the ITS web interface and it will direct you here. Because you do not have a student number, make sure that you tap on Forgot Student Number. You will then be directed to this page whereby you will be able to request a student number via email, but to do that you have to tap on the identification type. Click on ID number and fill in your identity number. After that, click search. It will say that it is requesting a forgotten student number that will be sent on your email. So now we are just going to zoom out and then we are going to click back. Head over to your Gmail and look for an email giving you your student number. As you can see, this email is containing a student number, and at the end you can see it's return current student number. That will be your student number for UniZulu. Head back to your ITS and type the student number that you have received on your email. After typing your student number, click on Request a PIN. You will be redirected to a page that will say PIN created successfully. Click on back. Head over to your emails again and look for an email that is containing your PIN. As you can see, this one's PIN is 61257. It's a return current PIN. Head back to your ITS with the student number and enter the PIN that you have received from the email. Make sure that you do not leave any spaces. Enter the PIN correctly. Now click on Login. You will be required to change your PIN and create your new PIN. So quickly create your new PIN containing 5 digits. Then click on Change PIN. Now you have access to your ITS. Click on the 3 lines right there at the top right corner. Click on First Time Applicant. Then click on Accept Firm Offer. Scroll to the right, click Please Select and click Accept. Now click on Save to save your changes. Make sure the following documents are uploaded. Click the 3 lines again. Click Upload or View Documents. Make sure the matriculation certificate, the identity document, and the proof of residence are all uploaded on the web.